Welcome back, y'all, and welcome to Cabo, San Lucas, Mexico. So I decided to take a little vacation. I stayed at the Rio Santa Fe here in Cabo. Today is day one of vlog one, part one. And y'all, make sure y'all stick around for all the rest of my vlogs. I had an amazing time, but let's get into this vlog, y'all. What's up, guys? That was my first night here. We're at the restaurant. It's a really huge restaurant, guys. Let me show you. Let me show you. It's my food. But I will show y'all the rest in the morning. I haven't been here that long, and I came straight to my room, showered, changed clothes, and came down. The girl is tired. I've been working all day, traveling all day. But y'all room tour and everything. Like, oh my god, my eyes are red. I'm tired. Isn't it cute? But yes, this is what I'm eating. Trying new things here in Mexico. Trying new things. Okay guys, so this is my room. I already showed you and did a complete room tour. You can check that video out. I will leave that description down in the description box, y'all. It's pretty neat. It's really cool. Just everything. So this is what breakfast look like in an all-inclusive resort. Look at all of this variety. In this particular restaurant, this is the biggest one, and it was totally amazing. So much variety out. Oof, about to eat good. About to eat good. Okay guys, so we ate breakfast. We scheduled a trip today, so we're gonna do the clear water boat today. I'm so excited. Let me change my clothes, y'all. And throw my cute swimsuit. My niece did my hair too. Get into it. Get into it. Oh, she did a good job. I need to like go back over my baby hair because they be messing up while I was here. But anyway, I will see y'all at the beach. Stuff, y'all. Look at this beautiful view. Just super gorgeous. First time ever in Cabo. First time ever in Mexico. All the places I've been. This is my first time in Mexico, y'all. Time to get on the clear boat. Our transportation is here. It's going to pull up. My chariots await. Going to have a good time. Oh, we're in here. Hello. Hi. And we're ready to go on the clear boat. This is my transportation. Okay, made it to the boat. Let me be still. Let me be still. To the floor, y'all. We made it. Give
Super excited.
Cabo and the private jets, okay?
Wow.
No, es que ando tirando agua en el agua. I don't speak Spanish. Si quieren, scuba diving, la única manera de abordar de este lado. Una lancha se va a traer de este lado. Look, this is a Mexican turkey. Es un perfect for mole. ¿Cierto o no? Es un turkey. Es un guajolote, algo así más o menos. It's a perfect for mole, for tacos. Is Rio Grande chocolate? Yes, it's perfect.
¿Cómo se llaman en español?
Ah, son pelícanos. Es que normalmente cuando no hablan español,
Can I stand up? I guess I can. Can we stand up? Oh, look. See fishes down there.
You're missing that.
You ready for one fish
Ah,
tank?
pues sí, no, apenas los
Are
miré.
you ready for one
Ahí
fish
está,
tank?
ahí está. Oh, look right there.
Miren abajo, chicos. Look at the rope. Are you ready? The little fish is a tiger or sergeant. The big is Juanito. No, it's a carp, a chub. The yellow thing is a Mexican dory. It's a Finding Nemo, the movie. It's a Mexican dory.
Oh, now that's a beautiful one.
The black
Yeah.
is an angel.
Yeah.
El pez negro es un pez ángel. El pez de la cola amarilla. ¿Recuerdan la película Buscando a Nemo? A Dory. Ese es un Dory mexicano. Es un pez cirujano. El pez más pequeño, el pez tigre o el sargento mayor. ¿Te escucho? Bueno. Ahí está Memo. Dale. Los entretenemos ahorita. ¿Tienen los peces? ¿Tienen los fish? Oye,
I saw this on TripAdvisor. I was like, I gotta do this. They're boat tour. It's not expensive in US dollars. It was like $45. And it also depends on what. I'm sorry, I'm so distracted. Depends on what company you use. Oh my God, this is so cool.
En Acapulco está la quebrada, la quebradita. Sir, please, no jumping. No jumping. No.
No jumping.
Maybe tomorrow, not this trip, please.
Swipe or no swiping?
Come on.
Jump, jump. Oh my God, yeah.
Only please look at me. Take off the mask for 1 picture, please. Thank you. Because I'm going to ¿Y esa es la prueba de qué?
I got you.
That sand that I showed guys. That's amazing. I feel like my content. That was good. Now we're about to go explore a little bit, eat, and go back to the resort and go swimming and eating and drinking and having fun. We still got a few more days left.
They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are over